Hello my dear students, welcome back to our video classes. This video we are going to learn conversions in decimals. Conversion in decimals. First we are going to learn how to convert the mixed number into decimals. How to convert mixed to decimals. Mixed to decimals. Mixed to decimals. First question, 36 3 by 10. 36 3 by 10. As I told already, decimal number means there is two parts. One is whole number, the other one is decimal numbers. Okay, decimal places. One is whole number, other one is decimal numbers. In between the whole number and decimal number, decimal point will come. Okay, here also, look, this is mixed number. Mixed number also, one is whole number. Okay, one is whole number. The other one is fraction. Other one is fractional number. Okay, and one more thing you have to remember, any fraction, okay, with the denominator 10, 100, 1000, like that. Those fractions are called decimal numbers. Any fraction with the denominator 10, 100, 1000, those fractions are called decimal numbers only. Here this is mixed number, one whole number with one fraction, but this fraction, look, 10, okay, sometimes maybe 100, sometimes maybe 1000. I will explain how to. Okay, see, 36 3 by 10. So 36 is whole number. No need to do anything. Whole number. Keep itself. Okay, no need to disturb the whole number. Kids, keep itself. 36 3 by 10. 3 by 10. Any number, any fraction divided by 10, 100,000, those are called decimal numbers. Okay, so this is decimal number only, 3 by 10. Then how many 0? Now we are going to change this 3 by 10 into decimal place. How many zeros are there? Only one 0. Whatever the number we are writing, one point is there. Okay, so if it is only 1 0 means you have to move only one decimal place left side. So point will come here, 36.3. This is the answer. That's all. This is the answer. Okay, just to move the decimal point left side. That's all. Okay, next, 42nd question, 45 by 10. Same, 40 is a whole number, write 40. Write 40. Okay, no need to disturb the whole number. Point. Okay, so this only 1 0, so you have to move this point one decimal place left side, 0.5. 40.5 is the answer. 40.5 is answer. So this is the way you have to convert this. Okay, and one more question also. Third question, 1 by 10. 1 by 10. 1 is a whole number. Write 1. Okay, keep as itself. 1 by 10. You have to move this point into one decimal place left side. So point will come here. 1.1 is the answer. This is very easy exercises. Okay, so next we are going to convert fraction to decimals. Okay, this is mixed to decimal. Next, fraction to decimals. Fraction to decimals. First question, 4 by 100. 4 by 100. Same like this. Okay, look here. In 100, how many zeros? 2 zeros. 100, how many zeros? 2 zeros. So already one point is there. So you have to move this point into 2 zeros means 2 decimal place left side. 2 0 means 2 decimal places left side, but here only one place. What we can do? Just add 1 0. That's all. Just add 1 0 in between the number. Before the number. Okay. Look, just add 1 0 before the number, 0.04. Okay, you don't think why this 0. This is whole number. Leave it. Here is no whole. Here whole number we got. That's why we wrote whole number. Here no whole number. So simply write 0 whole number. Don't think this 0 also depends upon this 0. No, not like that. Okay, without writing this 0 also you can write, no problem. No problem. 0.4. Simply we can write 0.4. How many zeros are there? 2 zeros are there. So you have to move this point to 2 decimal place left side. But here only 1 place. You can add 1 0, then put point. Add 1 0, then put point. Okay. So simply writing 0.04. It is not looking nice. Yeah. So just add 1 0. 0.04. Okay. In whole number part, just add 1 0. Second question. 15 by 100. 15 by 100. 15 by 100. Change. How many 0? 2 zeros are there. So you have to move this point into 2 decimal place left side. Already 2 decimal places are there. 1, 2, 2 decimal places are there. No need to add 0. Just write 0.1510. Okay. So this is the way you have to convert fraction to decimals. And one more. Third question. 19 by 1000. 19 by 1000. Look, 1000, how many zeros? 3 zeros. So you have to move this point into 3 decimal places left side. 3 decimal places left side. But here only 2 decimal places. What we can do? Add 1 0. That's all. 0.019. 0.019 is the answer. Okay. Next. One mixed number. One mixed number I am going to explain. Fourth question. 3 4 by 1000. 3 4 by 1000. 4 by 1000. Here whole number given. This is mixed number. Whole number is there. 3. Here no whole number. That's why you wrote 0. Here whole number is there. Just write 3. Okay. After that, we are going to convert this fraction into decimal. How many zeros are there? 3 0. You have to move this point. Already one point is there. You have to move this point in the 3 decimal places left side. But here only 1 place. What we can do? Add 2 zeros. Okay. So 0.004. 3.004. So this is the way you have to convert mixed into decimal. Fractions into decimal and mixed into decimals. Okay. Next, we are going to learn how to write fractions or mixed number if decimals given. If decimals given, how to write fraction. How to write fraction. For example, 1.13. First question, 1.13. How to write into fractions or mixed numbers 1.13. This is decimal number. Whole number is there. Decimal places also there. So whole number is, when you are converting into whole number, it will be a whole number only. Okay. Decimal places will be fraction. Okay. So is equal to whole number, keep as itself. No need to do anything. Keep as itself. In decimal places, if 2 places are there, the denominator should be 100. If 3 places are there, denominator should be 1000. If 1 place is there, denominator should be 10. Okay, each and everything I will explain. First, 2 place. So denominator should be 100. Okay, then whatever the numbers are present after the point, just write. 13. So 113 by 100. Second question. Then you will understand everything. 0.9 convert into decimal. 0.9 convert into fraction. Sorry, not decimal. Convert into fraction. How to convert? Look here. After here whole number is 0. So no need. Leave it. Whole number 0. No need. Leave it. Okay. So after the decimal point, how many places? Only 1 place. If only one place, the denominator should be 10. I told already. If it is 1 place, denominator should be 10. If it is 2 place, denominator should be 100. If it is 3 places, denominator should be 1000. Here 1 place, so denominator should be 10. Next procedure, next concept, whatever the number present after the point, that is the numerator. 9 by 10 is the answer. That's all. Okay, so third question. 0.139. 0.139. No whole number. Leave it. leave it. So after the point, 3 places. 3 places means 1000. Okay, 3 0 should come. 1000. Look here, 1 2 3 0. 3 places. 1 place, 1 0. 2 places, 2 zeros. Like that you can count. Okay, understood. So what are the number presented after the decimal point? Right, 139 divided by 1000. So this is the way you have to convert decimals into fractions. Okay, decimals into fractions. So one more example I will give. Fourth question, not decimals into fraction into decimal. Fourth question, fraction to decimal. Okay, 115 divided by 10. 115 divided by 10. You have to convert into decimal. How to? You have to convert into decimal. How to convert? So in 10, how many 0? Only 1 0. 1 point is there. Have to move 1 decimal place left side. So point should come here. 11.5. 11.5 is the answer. 11.5 is the answer. Okay. And one more question. Divided by 100. Divided by 100. How many zeros are there? 2 0. So you have to move this point into 2 decimal place left side. Point will come here. 34.16. 34.16. Okay. After how to read, already I explained how to read after the whole number. You can read as itself. After the decimal point, you have to read 1 by 1. Have to read 1 by 1. See, 34.16. 34.16. This is the way you have to read. Okay, understood?